What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Jasper Chase here, back with another motovlog. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to continue the wing series. We're going to Twin Peaks, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So to give you guys a little bit of history behind Twin Peaks before we get there, it was founded in 2005 by two guys, Randy DeWitt and Scott Gordon. Now Randy previously helped develop the brand Rockfish Seafood, and he kind of noticed that there was a gap in the sports bar market, so he decided to open up a chain with a restaurant that basically had like a mountain lodge kind of theme to it. Okay, so let's talk about names. So I find this fascinating with every restaurant on how their name came to be. This one was kind of cool. Basically, Twin Peaks got named Twin Peaks because the original restaurant was set between two mountains. It was Whitetail Mountain and Blue Pine Mountain. Okay, so Twin Peaks is based out of Louisville, Texas. It's been named one of the best ultimate sports bars. And the chain is well known for the Twin Peaks girls. Similar to Hooters, you have these beautiful women with cleavage and their bare midriff showing. They usually have like a flannel kind of half shirt and some really short khaki shorts. Now in 2011, Hooters actually sued Twin Peaks co-founder Joseph Hummel for leaving Hooters and taking trade secrets with him. The plans consisted of management and recruitment, distribution of sales, all that kind of stuff. And the lawsuit settled out of court in 2012. Randy, the CEO, was never shy about getting his inspiration from Hooters. He actually said the Hooters was a little too tame, so that's why he created this awesome ultimate sports bar chain to have these scandalous women walking around and serving you dinner. So by 2013, they had expanded to 38 restaurants in 17 states. In 2014, Bloomberg actually recognized them as the fastest growing chain restaurant in America. So it's not all roses and unicorns, unfortunately. Twin Peaks has a little bit of a jaded past. In 2015, they hosted a quarterly meeting of the Texas Confederation of Clubs. There were a large gathering of two rival biker gangs. Wielding knives and guns, the bikers began fighting. Police got tipped off and they opened fire. When the dust cleared, there were 9 people dead. Although Twin Peaks may have a little bit of a violent past, in 2018, they opened up 84 locations, and their gross sales was $322 million. That's insane. 84 locations, $322 million in 1 year. That's insane. So in September 1st, 2020, they actually acquired Fatburger and what was the other one? Johnny Rockets. And they purchased both of them for $300 million. You know, interesting enough, the Twin Peaks girls get a gym membership, they get a tanning salon membership, they even get a nail salon membership. It's all paid for by Twin Peaks. And what's interesting is that, you know, when they start their shifts, they actually go through an inspection process where they get ranked, and the higher the rank, the better the table you get. The better table you get, the more money you potentially could get in tips. So really, no matter what you think about the concept, this restaurant chain is blowing up and showing no signs of slowing down. So we're almost there. I hope you guys like the history behind the place. I'm excited to try the wings. I haven't been to Twin Peaks in probably 3 or 4 years, so this will be great. We're gonna hang out, have a beer, eat some wings, and have a good time. So stay tuned, and I'll be back in just a minute. Hey guys, welcome to Twin Peaks. I've got my wings right here. It's a little loud in here. Fortunately, I don't have to worry about copyrighting music because I can't monetize. Anyways, the wings look great. They're huge. They look juicy. We're gonna try them here in just a second. So I will get right back to you guys as soon as I finish. Later. Okay, so let's talk about sauce. The sauce wasn't really that good, to be honest. I gave it a 2. Size, they were really good. I'm giving them a 3 on that. About the same size as the Hooters wings. Quality of the food is a 4. It was amazing. The fries were really good. The wings were really good. You could tell that they were fresh. They weren't frozen. So I was pleasantly surprised on that one. Price. Well, it's a little cheaper than Hooters by $1. So I'm still giving them a 2. And the overall service was fantastic. I got greeted right away. The ambiance is amazing. She checked on me several times while I was here. It was great. I totally enjoyed it. And they get a 4. So their total is 15, which makes it a 3. So Hooters and Twin Peaks are tied. So, I don't know. Let's get back on the road. So it turns out both Hooters and Twin Peaks both have a score of 3 right now. I find that interesting. I really thought that Hooters was going to be higher than that, being it's my favorite, wing. But they got a 3. Twin Peaks got a 3. I'm probably going to go to Wingstop next and see, what they have to offer. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You guys keep doing what you're doing. I'm out.